Hey guys, how are you all? If you're using Incognito mode on your Google Chrome browser on your Android device, then how can you simply delete all the watch history or all the written history available on your Incognito tab on your Google Chrome? So let's start this video without any further delay. As you can see, I have opened a new Incognito tab right now on my screen, and I will search something like best players. I will search this anything on your browser, and like suppose you're browsing on it and suddenly you just need to clear all the history from it. So what you will do is simply just clear this Google Chrome from the recent, and now whenever you will log in you will see that there is no such tab like this. And even when you will go on the new Incognito tab, you will see that there is no history is saved. So this is automatically, and Incognito mode, your history does not get saved in it. So you just don't need to clear it manually. It will be automatically cleared and you will be out of the danger soon. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.